Hey guys, so here's Mrs. Smith, and I've actually moved outside to my deck. So, and the cat's out here with me. And we are going through our assignment on prepositions. So prepositions are words that explain direction. And I hope you watched the silly video on the preposition song, and you saw that many prepositions such as under, alongside, next to, above, and in this next assignment, you can either do the bunny or the turtle. I'm going to put both in this video. If you wish to do the bunny, then you start now. And I'll go over the instructions, and you can also follow along with this Google Slides presentation without me, if you wish. And then if you wish to do the turtle, then you should skip ahead until you see me talk about a turtle. And if you wish to do both, then hang on. We're in it together. Okay. First instruction. Take the cat off the table. Got her. Okay. Put the bunny under the flower. So pause me now and put the bunny under the flower. Oh, put the flower under the bunny. Oh, gracious. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Here's my flower. It's underneath the bunny. And don't forget to write down the preposition that I said in the initial sentence. Put the flower under the bunny, which is the directional term. The answer is under. So that's what you should put in this space. So you can see in mine that I made it yellow to make it easier to see, but on yours it's not going to be yellow. So you just use these blank spaces that you see here. Direction number 2. Put the butterfly in between the bunny's hands. Pause me now to do that. Here is the butterfly. He is in between the hands. Don't forget to write the preposition. Number 3, put the kite next to a foot or paw. Put the kite next to a foot or paw. Pause me now to do that. Okay, so here's the kite. It's next to a foot, and I remember to write the preposition. Direction number 4, put the ladybug under an ear. Put the ladybug under an ear. Pause me now. Here's the ladybug. She's under an ear. Don't forget to write your preposition. You'll also notice that as Mrs. Smith's pictures keep going, I'm writing the preposition from the previous direction below its picture. So if you ever get confused, you can always just look at the slides and it'll help you figure out which preposition we were discussing. Okay, number 5, put the bird next to the flower. Put the bird next to the flower. Pause me now to do that. Here's the bird next to the flower. Make sure you write your preposition in the yellow box. Number 6, put the cloud over the bunny. Put the cloud over the bunny. Pause me now. Here's the cloud. It's over the bunny. Don't forget to write the preposition. Number 7, put the tree next to the kite. Put the tree next to the kite. Do you see the tree? Okay, pause me now. Here is the tree next to the kite. And you can see that I wrote the prepositions for each one of these underneath, and I also colored in my pictures for fun. All right, so if you only want to do the bunny, then you stop watching now. If you wish to do the turtle, keep on going, or start right here. Start here for the turtle assignment. Question and instruction number 1. Put the flower next to the turtle. Put the flower next to the turtle. Here's the flower. Did you notice that it is next to the turtle? Write the preposition in the box. Number 2, put the butterfly under the turtle. Put the butterfly under the turtle. Pause me now if you wish as you're working, and then keep going. Here's the butterfly under the turtle. Did you write the preposition in the blue box? Now you'll notice that in here, my box is blue because I wanted to make it highlighter so that we can actually see it. These boxes are not blue. You do not have to color them blue. That's just where the preposition goes. Okay, next. You'll also notice that on each consecutive picture, I'm going to put the preposition underneath, the correct preposition underneath the correct image. All right, number 3, put the kite under the flower. Put the kite under the flower. All right, pause me now to do so. Here's the kite. It's under the flower. Write down the preposition, please. Number 4, put the ladybug next to the butterfly. Put the ladybug next to the butterfly. Pause me now to do so. Here's the ladybug. Did you write your preposition? Did you notice the ladybug is next to the butterfly? Number 5, put the bird over the turtle. Put the bird over the turtle. Pause me now to do so. Here's the bird. It's over the turtle. Write down the preposition term. Good. Number 6, put the cloud under the bird. Put the cloud under the bird. Pause me now to do so. Here's the cloud. It's under the bird. Write down your preposition. Number 7, put the tree next to the turtle. Put the tree next to the turtle. Okay, pause me now. Here's the tree next to the turtle. You'll notice that I wrote down the preposition for the tree underneath. Each one of these has its correct preposition, and I colored in my picture for fun. All right, that's all. I hope you'd enjoyed, and I found myself very happy to play grammar games with these cute little animals. Talk to you soon.